This is a brand new 2012 Ford Focus. Its top features include air conditioning, external temperature display, a multi-link rear suspension, a four-wheel independent suspension, traction control and stability control systems, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and four well-positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Waxahachie Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2401 North Interstate 35 East in Waxahachie.